Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is a soxhlet extraction apparatus. This setup is a set of 3. We have also set of 1 or 6. This energy regulator is there. You can see the scale is from 0 to 100. This is not a thermostat. This indicates heating is going on. At present we are not connecting to wire, so it is off. This is off position. 0 position is off, and we can rotate from 0 to 110. If the heating will be very slow. This is the speed of the heating. This will be medium heating up to 50, very fast 70 to 90. 100 is without stopping anywhere. So better use either fast heating or medium. Better use 50. So it will stop and start. There is this heating thermostat. This contact is there, which will allow the heat to pass, power to pass, and then automatically switch off. Now I tell you the parts of the glassware. This comes without the glassware and with the glassware. We have both the setups. This is a distillation soxhlet apparatus with a 250 ml flask. We have also 500 ml flask, where this one is 100 ml and this one is a distillation. All these are connected, interconnected tubes are there, and these are to be connected to the rubber tubes so that the condenser works. This is alien condenser, and all these are set up. And now I tell you how to connect. When the apparatus comes to you, it comes in the 2 parts. These are the rods which are to be connected on the back, and there is a rod on the top. These are boss head to be connected. Now I show you the connection of the boss head. Now you see this. There are this part which can move the condenser in the front and this direction, and this can move the condenser on the vertical or horizontal position. So you can put it so that it is vertically corrected, and then it is, and condenser can be connected or opened with this, very easy to use, and then this can be separated. The soxhlet apparatus comes in the 3 part: flask, soxhlet, and condenser. Now I connect it once again just to show you how to connect it, and then connect this and tight these. All this should be very tight so that there is no movement. You can connect these and then they can stop. Now I have this system which is soxhlet apparatus. Another comes a apparatus is a glass part with the digestion and distillation or digestion apparatus. This is gel flask. All are connected, interconnected, and alien condenser, and these are connected, and there is a delivery. One is gel flask, another is a stilt head or connecting, and then there is a condenser to be connected to the rubber tubes, and then one delivery. I am now showing you how it is connected, and this will be fitted here. Please see the other video how to connect it, and these are setup is, we are doing the 3 setups at present so that you can understand. There is another instrument which is only having gel flask, which is connected here. See the other video, and then 3 connect flasks are connected by one condenser, which is another apparatus by Abron. Please visit the website, and you can send us an email abron01@gmail.com. Our website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is Abron 94160200018. We have got the Abron instruments. We are exporting them, and you can send these emails to any one of them and buy from us. Thank you very much.